Hello, my friends. This is Noelle at Pretty Sassy Creations. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys, I've been in a Bloppy Bird kind of mood, so I wanted to show you some Bloppy Birds that I made. So I am just going to name them and throw them down and just give you guys a little show. So there is Trevor, and then we have Basil. We also have Jacoby, Coley, Monica, Sally. I love the boots. This is Ellis. We have Margot. Let's see, we'll do over here. We have Scout. We have Wilbur. Nellie, I mean, just look at those glasses. Nellie's got it going. Brett. Melon. This one looks like a fish, but his name is Hawk. And then we have Myron. We have Knox. We have Lux. We have Magic. And we have Jocelyn. Are they not the cutest? Oh my gosh. And then I made little cards too. I didn't name these ones yet, but they're just so fun. I'm sorry, here I am like this. Okay. These two are dancing. Look at their moves. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.